It is a scene when you and your friends are sitting in KFC and your friends have ordered all sorts of amazing non-vegetarian food like chicken tandoori, chicken masala, and they are like, wow, this is so delicious. It's heaven. Wow. Mira, try it. The game comes to you. No, I can't have it. I'm sorry. No, I can't have it. I wanna have it, but first time in your life, you get this question: can I eat meat? And I'll say no, not at all. And you'll say why? Tell us the reason. And I'll say okay. Today in this video, I am going to give you 2 scientific reasons why you should not eat meat. So let's start. One is diseases. Yes, you have heard it right. It's diseases. Eating red and processed meat causes a number of serious diseases like heart diseases, cancer, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, obesity, food poisoning, and stroke. Now coming to my most favorite reason number 2, that is environment. अब आप बोलोगे कि हमारे मीट खाने से how is it going to affect the environment? Well, it does, and that too to a great extent. Meat leads to water wastage. If you want to grow 1 kg of tomatoes, it needs 174 liters of water. If you want to grow 1 kg of chicken, it needs 6,170 liters of water. And if you want to grow beef, it needs 39,000 liters of water. See the difference, see the gap. ऐसे लोग आकर ना फिर होली नहीं खेलते. पता है क्यों? पानी बिगड़ता है. लैंड कंजम्पशन. लैंड कम है, कितने दाम बढ़ गए, जगह ही नहीं मिल रही है. How many times have you heard this? पर ever wonder कि तो फिर इतनी सारी जगह जाती कहाँ है? If you take 2.5 acres of land and grow cabbage, it can feed 23 people. Grow potatoes, it can feed 22 people. Wheat, 15 people. Chicken, 2 people. Beef, 1 person. 51% of total land on this entire earth is used up in rearing livestock for meat production. Now once again you'll say, इससे हमको क्या? I mean, how will we get our protein? Eating of green leafy vegetables with 3 cups of dal every day with additions fruits, nuts, dry fruits, millets, gram, pulses are enough for your body to complete all its requirements. Nowadays, so many of the famous athletes are 100% vegetarian. Ever wondered how will they be getting their proteins? And now coming to egg eaters who so proudly claim to eat the eggs without a baby in it. Then let me ask you, how are these kind of eggs produced? Certain antibiotics are injected inside the hen, so they give triple the amount of eggs without a life in it. Even if it sounds so dramatic, it is just like asking a woman to give a birth to a dead child every 3 months. Imagine her pain. And if a woman cannot tolerate that much pain, how can a hen? And at last, do you really want me to conclude this? I'm sure after hearing its pros and cons, you are wise enough to decide. If you want to know this entire process from pick to your plate, then don't forget to watch this amazing 12 minutes movie, Meet Your Meat, whose link I have given in the description box. At last, I'm 100% sure that you know at least one person who eats meat or eggs. Then please don't forget to share this video with them for their own benefit. And one more thing, that I'm really sorry for becoming so much irregular in posting my videos, but today it's my promise that I'll post my new videos on every Saturday, so please don't forget to watch for that. And as usual, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because that's the last thing you can do. Thank you.